Welcome to Christ College Ripoy. Established in 2022 by the Carmelite Sisters of St. Teresa, we offer a 4-year undergraduate program in subjects like economics, education, English, geography, history, Khasi, political science, and sociology. Boost your learning with VAC, SEC, MDC, and AEC courses, or gain practical skills through vocational training in tailoring, embroidery, and mushroom cultivation. At Christ College, learning is joyful, holistic, and life-shaping. Admissions open now. Visit our website or contact the college office to know more. Christ College, where dreams take flight.
Kublaya pi baro. Ni puli hakikam ki apostol. Bahadir ke jingkio jong Chris Shabneng. Bat katba ngidang up ya ka Pentecost. Baro kilayatili bat Yaisha haka jingduai rengkat bat ka Maria ka kemi ujisu. Nakikam joki apostol kalenong ka bandingkong ka dukot ka bakat sao. Kani kalong pik kumba ngidang le kat tu kat ni kenta. SHUWA ban Sdang ke Conclave. Hapo ke jingkmi jong ke Maria jongi hajan keduan ha kani ke Basilika ka badon HALOR ke jingdap jong u Petrus bakhui. Kani ke peni ya ke Jingiatylli ya ke jo ke jinget ke jingi ya upop bat ke jingkmi lenti ka bas ngoskan. Ni don hang ni ban kerpa ya umensi bakhui. Bon ai ke jingshai bat ka bor jong u. Kenang bau pup uban sa JIED ulong uta uba ka balang bat ka jat benriu ki dan kam tam ha ka ni ka por jong ka jing e ni duai kerpa ha mensin bakoi kat ba ki Cardinal ki dang penkre ban shim ya ka kam bakrau bat ka lengkor ka baksyata na ka benta ka balang ka kam ka ba un sa JIED un ha ka brat ya ka jing perkhat shimet henrei da ka ba bo ha ka jing mut bat ka do nut tang ya ublei uji sukris bat ka jing bha jong ka balang bat jong ka jat benrio ha ka gospel ka balapen bena nio sngo yaki kenpin baya lam yang ni sha ka do nut jong uji su bat ka khubor ka ba khau tam jong uji su ka bala IT ha ki apostol jong u ha ka jamit jong ka jing khawai ba khadu kani ka long ka hukum jong a ba phine ik markliang kumba
This is my command.
Naka gospel jong Yohanes kalanong ka bakhat san ka dukhat ka bakhat ar ka dukhat lai.
As I have loved you.
Kani kalong ka khubor jong ka JIED ka ba ujisu ukhat ka hukum ka bathamay. Kalong ka bathamay namar ka penkala sa ka ka babha bat ka penroy shibut ya ka jingsneng jong ka testament barim ka baong. Wat le yaki way ya ka ba pim kwa batin le ya pi.
Others what you would not want them done to you.
Ka JIED ka ba ujisu upen pau kam don put. Tina markata ubala sha JIED uday bandon kata ka JIED ka bam don put na ka benta ka balang. Kumba upop John Paul bahandri uong. Kani kadai ka civilization of love. Badai tang ka JIED ka bala ban penkala ya ka perthai.
Civilization of love. Love, the only force, is the only force capable of changing the world.
Ujisu uai hanyi ya ka buksa jong kani ka JIED ha ka basdang jo ka jing khawai ba khado da ka jingle ka ba khla. Ula penret ya lade ha ka jing shakriya ki wei ula sait iki kijat jong ki apostol klem da nyau shiliang khmat but klem da kenpat ya Judas uban sa shet kela ya u
without discrimination and not excluding even Judas who would betray him.
Kani ka khubor jong ujisu ka penyaso bat ka ka ba nyalio sngo ha ka jing puli ka baningkong jong kamas ha ka ba unong ya thu lupa Isaya ulapen ken ma wengi ba ka jinglong ba kong san jong kinong sharai ka long ka JIED hadu banda IT lut yala ka jingim
To love to the point of complete self-giving.
Kani ka yuk haris bakhod ka khot engi banya it markliang banya rap iwe ya iwe bat ban IT yala ka jingim na ka benta ka balang ba ka perthai baro ka we.
To commitment to ecclesial communion and universal human fraternity. Among
Kani
the
gade ga kamram
tasks
jong
of
dong mi
every
bujili
successor of
upatrus
Peter
bakot.
is
Ban
that of
penyatili ya
fostering
baro, ban
communion,
penyatili ya ki bishop bat upo, ban
communion of
penyatili
all
ya ki
Christians
nongyalam.
with Christ,
Kajing sulok jong ki
communion
bishop
of the
hapadeng jong
bishops
ki.
with the Pope,
Kani kajing khot ban long
communion
kawai
of the
kade
bishops
ka
among
lenti
themselves.
ka ba ukris ula pen i
This is not
rengkap bat
self-referential
ki apostol.
communion. This is
Kajing tili
also
jong ka balang ka long ka
a
mon
strong
jong
call
ukris.
to maintain the
Kajing
unity of
tili
the
ka
church
ba emut kajing long
on the
kawai
path
hendrai kajing sulok ka ba
traced
scam
out by
bat ka ba
Christ
jeliu
the Apostle.
hapadeng kajing per
The
tang ba
unity
de
of the
ban
church
penne ya kajing long ba
is
janai pura
willed by
jong
Christ.
ka gospel.
A unit that does not mean uniformity, but a firm and profound communion in diversity, provided that full fidelity to his gospel is maintained. Each pope
Kajing JIED ya upo bubat thamai,
continues
kamde
to
kajing ya
embody
kelyang ya
the
unong
Apostle
mi
Peter
bujli. Henry day beg
and his
upetrus
mission,
bakut
and that's
ubawan pau
representing Christ on
hakadur jong
earth.
po ubat
He
thamai.
is the rock on which the church is built. The
Kinong
election
JIED
of the
Cardinal
new
kin
pope
thep ya lagi vote
is
haka
not
Sistine
a
Chapel.
simple
Kumba
succession
ka
of
Apostolic
persons.
Constitution University Dominici
It
Gregis
is
ka ong.
always
Haka ba ki a baro
the
ki long ki
Apostle
bayade ba kajing sngow thu ya
who
kajing dor
returns.
ublay. Haka ba hakmat jong
The
uway
Cardinal
pa uway
electors
ubreu haka
who
way
cast
kasni
their
an
vote
sa bishar.
in the Sistine Chapel. The place is the Apostolic Constitution, University Dominici Gregis states, where everything is conducive to an awareness of the presence of God, in whose sight each person will one day be judged.
Haka Roman
In
triptych
his
jong
Roman triptych,
upop John Paul
Pope
baar
St. John
ulapan
Paul
pau ya
II
kajin kermen
expresses the
ba
hope
haki kenta
that
jaga jin
during the
thepot
hours
halor
of
kan karai ka
voting
bakia
on this
ka
weighty
dur jong
decision,
Jisu balawan pau ha Michael Angelo ka
Michelangelo's
pen kenau ya baro
looming
ya ka jin krau
image of
jaga
Jesus,
jingkit
the
khle
judge,
ban bu ya ki
would
shabi ba
remind
hakle do
everyone
Dante
of the
haki kti
greatness
ki badai.
of the responsibility of placing the supreme keys in the correct hands.
Tungin ya
Let
duai
us
ba
pray
umansi ba
then
khoj
that the
kumba
Holy
ulale
Spirit,
hakini ki
who
spas
is
nang balalej no
who
bahaka ni
in
ka
the
klep
last
madru
100 years
un
has given
persad
us
ya umansi
a
jong
series of truly
bangin la ban
holy
yo ya
and
upo
great
batamai.
pontiffs, will give us a new pope according to God's heart for the good of the church and humanity. Let us
Tungin ya
pray
duai
that
ha
God
ublay
will
baun
grant
ay
the
upo ba ka
church
balang ka
a
don kam
pope who
upo
knows
ba
how
khoj
best to
ubala ban
awaken
penki embiang ya ka
the
balang ban
consciences of
ubala ban
all
pen
and
kan
the
mau ya
moral
ni ya ka
spiritual
jingkordor
energies in
jong ublay.
today's society, characterized by great technological progress, but which tends to forget God.